Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best $10,000 no deposit welcome bonus brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. A Forex broker's welcome bonus allows novice traders to embark on their trading journey without risking their own funds. With this bonus, traders receive a small amount of money credited to their account upon registration, enabling them to explore the Forex market and hone their skills. Traders who are searching for some of the best $10,000 no deposit welcome bonus brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best $10,000 no deposit welcome bonus brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Forex4U. Forex4U is a leading online Forex broker that caters to traders worldwide, offering a comprehensive platform for Forex trading and related financial services. With a user-friendly interface and a wide range of trading tools, Forex4U aims to empower both novice and experienced traders to navigate the intricate world of foreign exchange markets efficiently. Forex4U provides traders with access to real-time market data, educational resources, and expert analysis, enabling them to make informed trading decisions. By prioritizing customer satisfaction and providing competitive trading conditions, Forex4U has established itself as a reliable and trustworthy choice for individuals seeking to participate in the dynamic Forex market. Forex4U offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the varied needs and preferences of traders. These instruments include major, minor, and exotic currency pairs, as well as commodities, energies, indices, and popular cryptocurrencies. Forex4U is dedicated to enhancing the trading experience of its clients by offering a variety of enticing bonus promotions. These bonuses provide traders with additional incentives to bolster their trading activities. The specific bonus promotions may vary over time, so traders are encouraged to visit the Forex4U website regularly to stay informed about the latest offerings. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the proprietary Forex4U trading platform, which is all supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The broker offers a range of account types designed to suit the diverse needs and trading preferences of its clients. These accounts include Cent, Classic, Classic Fixed, Cent Pro, Classic Pro, Classic Standard, as well as Demo and Islamic account options. Each of these account types cater to specific trading needs, with varying features, spreads, and execution methods. Forex4U is committed to providing traders with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the Forex market. Traders can find a wealth of educational resources designed to enhance their trading capabilities. These educational offerings typically include a variety of resources such as articles, video tutorials, webinars, as well as interactive courses. Traders can explore topics ranging from the fundamentals of Forex trading to advanced strategies and market analysis techniques. Forex4U's educational materials are structured to cater to traders of all levels. Whether you are a beginner looking to grasp the basics or experienced traders seeking to refine their skills, by providing easy access to a wealth of educational content, Forex4U ensures that its clients have the tools and resources they need to make informed trading decisions and achieve their financial goals in the dynamic world of Forex trading. At number 4 on our list is FBS. FBS is a Forex and CFD broker which is authorized and regulated by the International Financial Services Commission of Belize and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Not only is FBS one of our top-rated, beginner-friendly brokers, but we also recommend trading with them if you are interested in using a cent account, trading cryptocurrencies, or copy trading. FBS has more than 23 million clients from over 150 countries, and they have won more than 30 international awards. With FBS, you can enjoy low-risk, low-cost trading on dozens of currency pairs, indices, stocks, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies, and there are multiple account types and flexible payment methods to choose from. FBS offers enticing promotional offers as well, such as their deposit bonus, which is a limited time promotion allowing traders to enjoy a 100% deposit bonus, effectively doubling their initial investment. With this generous offer, FBS aims to empower traders by providing them with additional funds to enhance their trading experience and potentially maximize their profits. Featured platforms are available on the FBS Trader platform, as well as the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on Windows and mobile applications. Their accounts are provided on Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread, ECN, as well as Crypto and Pro accounts, with swap-free options available on the Cent account, Micro account, Standard account, Zero Spread account, and the ECN account. Each account offers different features and benefits respectively. A demo trading account is also available. FBS also provides their very own Forex analysis panels, informative market overviews, beginner, elementary, intermediate, and experienced Forex guides, a variety of video lessons that delve into various educational topics from opening your account to the use of their platforms, as well as seminars, webinars, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational resources with FBS. Coming in at number 3 is IronFX. IronFX is a prominent online Forex and CFD broker, recognized for its comprehensive range of trading services and solutions. IronFX is committed to providing traders with a dynamic and secure platform to access the financial markets. Catering to both novice and experienced traders, IronFX is dedicated to transparency, innovation, and providing clients with cutting-edge technology to ensure an exceptional trading experience. They offer a diverse range of market instruments, providing traders with ample opportunities to explore and invest in various financial assets. These include Forex, commodities, indices, futures, and shares. By offering a wide array of market instruments, IronFX empowers traders in South Africa and beyond to explore diverse markets, manage risk effectively, and seize trading opportunities in the ever-changing financial landscape. The broker presents a compelling array of bonus promotions as well, designed to enhance the trading experience for its clients. And these bonuses can encompass a variety of offerings, such as deposit bonuses, trading rebates, and other attractive incentives. The specifics of IronFX's bonus promotions may vary and are subject to terms and conditions. Therefore, traders are encouraged to visit the website to stay updated on the latest promotions and to review the associated terms. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which is supported on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. IronFX is also dedicated to providing a robust set of educational resources to empower traders in South Africa and beyond. These resources are designed to help traders, whether they are newcomers to the world of online trading or seasoned investors, expand their knowledge and refine their trading skills. They offer a wide range of topics, including comprehensive market analysis, trading strategies, risk management techniques, and trading psychology insights. Traders can also access articles, webinars, video tutorials, and other informative materials to deepen their understanding of the financial markets. By incorporating these resources into their trading journey, clients of IronFX can enhance their skills, improve their trading strategies, and work towards their financial objectives. At number 2 on our list is SuperForex. SuperForex is a dynamic and innovative online forex broker dedicated to providing a cutting-edge trading experience for its global clientele. SuperForex's commitment to offering a secure and regulated platform ensures that traders can navigate the forex market with confidence. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, SuperForex's user-friendly interface, educational resources, and trading tools make it an ideal destination for those seeking to capitalize on international currency markets. SuperForex offers a diverse array of market instruments to cater to the trading preferences of its clients. Traders can access a variety of financial assets through their platform, including major and exotic currency pairs, commodities such as gold and oil, global indices, and cryptocurrencies. This extensive selection of trading instruments provides traders with the flexibility to diversify their portfolios and explore various trading strategies. SuperForex extends a warm welcome to new traders with its enticing welcome bonus offer. Upon registering with SuperForex, traders are greeted with an exclusive welcome bonus that serves as an extra boost to their initial deposit. This bonus provides traders with additional trading capital, enhancing their ability to explore the markets and place trades, and potentially increase their profits. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader floor trading platform, as well as the proprietary SuperForex mobile application. The accounts they offer are categorized into straight-through processing and electronic communication accounts. Their SDP accounts include the standard, swap-free, no-spread, micro-cent, Profi SDP, as well as crypto accounts. Their electronic communication network accounts include the standard ECN account, standard mini, swap-free ECN, swap-free mini, and the ECN crypto account. SuperForex's ECN accounts provide traders with a direct connection to a network of liquidity providers, resulting in fast and reliable order execution. These account types are ideal for traders who require top-tier market access, transparency, and competitive pricing. SuperForex offers a valuable array of educational resources to empower traders of all levels with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the dynamic world of forex trading. The broker provides a variety of educational materials, including informative articles, video tutorials, and webinars, covering topics ranging from the basics of forex trading to advanced trading strategies and analysis techniques. This ensures that both beginners and experienced traders can access relevant content to enhance their trading skills. Furthermore, SuperForex's educational resources are readily available on their website, making it convenient for traders to access the information they need to make informed trading decisions and improve their overall trading proficiency. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best $10,000 no deposit welcome bonus brokers, we have RoboForex. RoboForex is a leading online brokerage firm renowned for its innovative and comprehensive financial services. With a global presence and a strong commitment to providing traders and investors with cutting-edge tools and resources, they empower individuals to navigate the financial markets with confidence and competence. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. In addition to the standard Forex offerings, RoboForex provides access to a wide variety of other assets, including commodities, global stock indices, cryptocurrencies, and more. RoboForex's trading instruments offers a gateway to a world of trading possibilities. They provide enticing promotions designed to enhance the trading experience for their clients. With a commitment to delivering added value, RoboForex regularly offers a variety of promotions that may include bonuses, cashback rewards, and other exclusive incentives. These promotions serve to provide traders with additional trading capital and advantages, helping them make the most of their investment strategies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the proprietary R Mobile, R Stocks, and R Web traders. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading account types, tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of traders, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. RoboForex has an account option for you. Their lineup includes Prime, ECN, R Stocks Trader, Pro Cent, Pro, as well as Demo and Islamic account options, which are each designed to provide unique trading conditions and advantages. RoboForex is committed to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources. Their comprehensive collection includes webinars, video tutorials, articles, and more, all designed to enhance knowledge and skills. Whether you're a novice looking to learn the basics of trading or an experienced trader seeking advanced strategies, their educational resources cater to all skill levels. By offering these educational tools, RoboForex equips traders with the knowledge and insights needed to make informed decisions and succeed in the world of online trading. And those are some of the top 5 best $10,000 no deposit welcome bonus brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.